Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
5 common phrasal verbs with mess. Like and subscribe to the channel. Mess about can have slightly different meanings depending on the context. 1. Waste time or be playful. Example: they spent the entire afternoon messing about on the beach. 2. Handle something irresponsibly. Don't mess about with the TV settings, you'll end up breaking it. 3. Engage in casual or informal activity. I like to mess about with recipes in the kitchen. Mess around is an informal expression with multiple meanings, depending on context. 1. Waste time or behave in a silly way. Example: stop messing around and get to work. 2. Experiment or casually engage with something. Example: he likes to mess around with old cars in his free time. 3. Engage in a casual relationship, informally, romantic or physical, with someone. They're not serious, they're just messing around. 4. Cause trouble or interfere with something, or create problems. Don't mess around with the kitchen appliances. They're expensive. Mess over. Meaning: to treat someone unfairly, deceive them, or cause harm, especially in a way that feels manipulative or intentional. Examples: the contractor messed us over by charging double the original estimate without explanation. She felt like her boss messed her over when he took credit for her work. Mess up has several meanings depending on context. 1. To make a mistake or error. I accidentally messed up the order and sent it to the wrong address. 2. To ruin or spoil something. They canceled the outdoor event because the rain messed up the decorations. 3. To cause emotional or psychological distress. The sudden breakup really messed him up, and he's been struggling ever since. 4. To disorganize or dirty something. The kids messed up the living room while playing with their toys. Mess with. Informal and versatile, with multiple meanings depending on the context. 1. To interfere or tamper with something. Don't mess with the thermostat. It's set to the perfect temperature. 2. To provoke or tease someone. He's just messing with you, don't take him seriously. 3. To challenge or confront someone. You don't want to mess with her. She's tougher than she looks. 4. To negatively affect or disrupt something. The power outage really messed with our schedule. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.